Hey guys, just want to show you another product we've got for sale at the moment. These are rear camber lock washers. They're not the only ones on the market, but this is a kit that we've designed ourselves, giving our specific sizes and requirements. So the function of these is quite simple. In the rear SupaShock, you'll see there's an elongated bolt on the rear. So what happens is you will never be able to lock that camber up. It'll always have a bit of room for movement. So what these camber washers will actually prevent that. All right, so there's 6 different sizes in the kit. They're all labeled with A, B, C, D or F. What they are is they're just an offset washer. So what it will do is it'll actually make that elongated hole a round hole. So quite simply, as I said, you'll set your camber, pull your bolt out, grab your camber lock washers out, sit them in there, find out which one's going to work the best. You will put one on both sides. Okay, you've got some that are a much better, firmer fit, and they are a very snug fit to get in there, as you can see, just like that. All right, and that will basically set your camber. It's a set and forget. Basically set them for the weekend. You shouldn't have to move or reset them again on a race weekend unless you specifically want to change your camber. Take a look. It's on our web shop now. If you have any questions about them, how to set them up, you know, how to fit them, anything like that, please don't hesitate, give me a call. Alternatively, send us a message and I can respond to you via Messenger.